Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to apply formatting to your text within Notion. To begin, highlight the specific text you wish to modify. Once selected, a toolbar will pop up above providing various styling choices. From this menu, you can convert your text into headings, separate pages, or different list types like bulleted, numbered, to-do, or toggle lists. You also have the ability to transform it into a quote or a callout block. Standard styling is also available. You can easily apply bold, italics, underlining, or a strike-through effect to your selection. For more technical needs, there are options to format your text as code or a mathematical equation. Additionally, you can insert links to connect with other pages. If you need further customization, such as changing the text color, simply click on the three dots icon to access more settings. I hope this tutorial was useful. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next one.